Hey everybody, and this is my 10k giveaway video. First things first, be sure to subscribe at my website, because only then you will get the chance to get this great machine in your mailbox for free. It's the brand new Swashdrive Generation 8 with the adjustable top, so you can make it a little bit more softer or a little bit more harder by adjusting the top. As I'm doing now. And if you want a little bit more give, you're going to pull the thing, I don't know the name of the thing, to the back, and if you want it a little bit more direct, you put it to the front. And the new thing on these machines are the motor. They are a little bit smaller, as you can see, really small, really lightweight. I don't know how long they last, but the voltage, you need a little bit more voltage than before. Before you were working on 8.5 volt, and with this machine you will start at 14 volt. And you can adjust it by making it a little bit higher if you're working faster or slower in reverse. This is the mechanic that will replace your elastic. I think it's really handy because you just plug it in, get the needle bar tight, and you can start working. Some colleagues of mine, they hate it, but I really like it. The old Swash drives I'm using before, they were also really solid. They lasted for well, about 3 or 4 years, and I'm using them on a daily basis, 8 to 10 hours a day. And for this machine, I really don't know. They have to first stand the test of time. You will need to place the grommet on the placeholder, put the needle on there, and just turn the wheel to get the needle bar tight in your grip. And there's nothing more to it. But they're really, as you can see, easy to set up. You just plug it in, get the needle bar right, and get it and fasten it. There's an RCA connector. I really like it. You don't have to put things in small holes or you know, it's just plug it in and just go. So be sure to subscribe now, because this machine, it's about 600-700 bucks. And while you're subscribing, you'll also get really nice drawing lessons, tattooing lessons. I'll be giving tutorials about in-depth tutorials about lining, coloring, making fades, you name it. So be sure to subscribe. It's my favorite machine to line with. But if you got enough technique, you can line with almost every machine. You just adjust your technique. But for me, I found a really balanced technique to work with the Swash drives or with any other rotary. It's really light. It's really small. And it's really constant, and that is one of the most important things that I want from a machine, that it's constant. I don't have to think of adjusting everything. I just plug it in and I run it. So I'm just really focused on tattooing. The machines are in anatomy are really nice balanced. So be sure to subscribe, get this great machine in your mailbox for free.